In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a professional email address, how to access webmail through Builderall rain loop, how to verify domain name and email address for the first time, how to set up MailingBoss, and finally, how to connect a thank you page and email marketing form in MailingBoss. Hi and welcome to this channel. If this is your first time, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to check out other videos on the channel. Alright, let's get into the video. First, you need to connect your domain to a Builderall website or landing page. I have a tutorial on how to connect a domain and I will drop it in the description box. So to do so, we click on here. So I would like to choose this one. See, the arrow is pointing to this domain. Then you click create. So you need to create the name, password, confirm password, and it has to be, the password needs to be at least 70. Alright, so when it matches, everything will be alright. I have more than 70, okay? In your case, if you get 70, that's okay, as long as the password is strong and you can remember, that's fine. Then you click create. Success, added successfully, so click OK. Alright, so to access it, click on view email list. Alright, and I want to access this one, okay? So you click on that. Okay, and that's the email address with 500 megabyte memory. Okay, so now what I need to do next is to access webmail. Alright, so as you can tell, it's saying your connection is not private. I have to go back to MailingBoss. Alright, so I'll close it. It shouldn't be like that, but I don't know why. Alright, so I'll go to Builderall again. Then I'm gonna access MailingBoss. I'll right click just so I will not lose this page. Alright, so when you launched MailingBoss for the first time, you'll be prompted to set up your profile. Okay, so I have done it already. So what I'll do, I'll just insert the images. It's gonna automatically generate your name. Click next, then your personal information. If you have a business, your business name, your address, your email address, which is the professional email that we set up. All right, so stuff like that. So let me just do the reason why I opened this. So you come up here, so click on menu, click on domains. All right, so I have to enable SSL. Successfully saved, so it's processing. So what I'll do is I'll wait after another half an hour. I'll come back and I'll refresh and it should say active. Then we're gonna go back to access the mail and we're gonna just set it up to verify it. All right, so I'm back at it. Okay, so let's check it out. Open a new tab. Okay, just so I will not lose this home page. Let's check it out. Okay, so then you click on the app sign, domains. So now it's active. All right, so after half an hour or whatever long you waited for, if you come back, and what you have to do, you just have to come up here and just refresh the page. Okay, or you can right click and reload. The reason why when I open it's just straight up active is because I log off and I went on with my life. So when you open, obviously everything gonna refresh itself. That's what happened when you open a new page. Okay, SSL is active, domain is verified. So right now we have to go back to this app again and go to sender emails, because we have to send email into our account to verify it, just to make sure it's working. That domain is not here under sender, because you need to register your email down here so that you'll be able to send messages. Okay, you click on create, then you type in the domain name, then the email address, then you click on save changes. Alright, so it's successfully saved. Okay, But what we have to do next is to verify it, because as you can see down here, this one is verified. That's why I said yes. Okay. Alright, so listen to this tip. Since this email address is new, you cannot access the webmail. You have to open a new page and type in the URL of the mailbox. So I'll leave the link in the description below, and I'll put it on the screen as well, the email address that we created and the password. Okay. So what you have to do next is to click on this mail. That's the mail that we created. Please click here in order to confirm your sender validation. Congratulations. Alright, so now we can send email through the MailingBoss. Go back to MailingBoss. See this? We're gonna have to refresh the page. Refresh. So now it's verified. Now we don't need this anymore. I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna close this. Alright, so now it's time to create the list by clicking here. So I have one email list, and this one is by default when you set up MailingBoss. Okay. Or what you can do, choose to close this. Alright, so you click on the MailingBoss app. Alright, so this is the list and tools, and this is campaigns. And if you want to create sequence, you come here, email sequence. Okay, and this is a workflow, or you can access them from here. Create a new workflow. So we're gonna create subscriber list now. Alright, I'll call it Organify. I'll use the same name here. Alright, so this is my description, but it's optional. Alright, continue. The name Organify, display name Organify. This is the description. This has to be double opt-in. Okay. And here opt out, you can do single, because there is no problem with that. The only problem with double opt-in, the subscriber rate is low, but you get quality subscribers. So, alright, then you click on next. Alright, your form has been successfully saved. So move down. So right now I have an email field which is checked, but I would like to add a first name field. Okay, so I'll click this, save changes. Alright, so you scroll down. We want first name, then email. So this has to be 1. Then this is 0, so this will come 0 before 1. Okay, then scroll down. Alright, and also name is required, so you click yes. Okay, as you can see, email is required and name is also required. Save changes. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be. First name, then email. Alright, so if you want to create an email sequence, you go here. Then you click on email sequence. Alright, then you click on create new. Alright, but for this tutorial I don't want to create email sequence. I have a tutorial on that, but I'll try to link it in the description below. Alright, so now I'm done with MailingBoss, so I'll just close it. Alright, so now we have to go back to our website and continue. Okay, because now everything is set. So right click and open in a new tab. What you have to do, we need this URL. Okay, so you're gonna click on this sign, then you click on go to web page. Alright, so we have to copy this URL. Okay, so double click, right click, copy. Alright, then we go back. Okay, so now we're gonna click on edit page. Alright, so I'm gonna close this. Alright, so now I need the email marketing form here. I'm gonna click on this. You click on email marketing form. Alright, so we have to grab one of these forms. Alright, so I'll grab this one. It's gonna generate the exact email setup that we did in MailingBoss. Alright, can create from here, okay, but which I will advise you not to. So we want the emails to go into this list, so you click it, then you click save. So let me just save it first. That's fine. Then you close it. Alright, so now we have to link. So you click on link. So after subscribe, where do you want them to go? On no action. So after subscribe, I want them to go to the thank you confirm email page. Okay, so it's on web. If you want them to go to a page like to download something or like a pop-up, that's different. But this one, remember I copied the link. Okay, I'll show you. Yeah, I want them to come here, so it's a web page. Okay, so highlight this, delete and paste the link. Okay, then you scroll down, then you click on select. So after subscribe, you want them to go to that page, which is this one, to confirm. Okay, it's telling them to confirm and there's no action. Okay, so when they confirm, then where do you want them to go? So after confirmation, I want them to go here. So we are just using it as an example. Okay, so you double click to highlight, then you copy. Okay, then you go back here, then delete this. All right, so this is where I want them to come as an example. So use your proper affiliate link, okay, or wherever you want them to go. Okay, unsubscribe, confirm. I don't want my prospect to confirm unsubscription, so I'll just leave it like that. If they want to unsubscribe, everything is easy for them. So you click save, click save now, then that's fine. So I'll change this color and the text. So I'll go edit, let's move this up a bit. You press and hold and push it up. You scroll down and you look for headline. Okay, I don't know why it should be like button instead of register now. I would say all right, because I'm trying to be congruent with this. Okay, it says buy now, so we have to make sure it says the same. And the color field, close it, general color. All right, so the background, so click on this orange, so that's the exact color. Close this, then save it. That's fine. Then close it. Mobile version. Let's check the tablet. Alright, so go back to desktop. Alright, so then we're gonna save. That's fine. Alright, close this and close this. Close. Yeah, close this as well. Close this. Alright, so before we test it, we have to republish. So click on republish. Alright, so click on the app sign, go to web page. And click the button. Alright, since your email is new, it can end up in promotional tabs or spams. Alright, so you have to check it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.